get up.
What is y'all doing?
We just saying.
Okay, but they done saw y'all breaking stuff. Sir, get up.
Hey, wake him up. Wake him up.
Sir.
My nigga ain't did nothing. He
Get
been
up.
sitting there the whole time.
Sweetheart, if y'all come here, don't make this harder than what it has to be because y'all old enough to go. So sit down and listen to what we gotta say.
This officer talking to y'all, then stop moving. You understand me? I'm not gonna play with you because I know you already been kicked out of the mall today. Okay, time to leave. Get up, man. Time to go.
I heard you, man.
Let's go. That way. Out. Out.
We waiting on that.
Outside. I don't care if you wait outside. You leave. Okay?
Not too much of my sister, though.
Let's go.
Tie my shoe.
I'm not worried about your shoe. You can tie that outside. Let's go.
My cousin either.
Go. Go.
You work at MRB. Shut the fuck up.
Go.
You work at MRB. You ain't working nowhere.
Come on. Let's go.
You ain't working nowhere.
Let's go. Time to
You
go.
ain't working nowhere.
Are you his parent?
I'm not his parent.
All right, then let's go.
Yeah, his parent. Yeah.
Let's go. I'm going to put you in handcuffs in a minute. Do you understand that?
Don't touch him again.
Excuse me? He's going to listen or he's going to go in handcuffs. Now let's go.
Look, I'm not even doing that. Look, I'm finna walk up.
4 Delta 2. Send me a couple more units. I got 6 juveniles that are being disorderly.
Never get off me.
Come here. Come here, sweetie. Sweetie. Come here. What's your name? I don't got a name. Listen here, sweetie. Let's not make this harder than what it has to be.
Ma'am, I've been sitting on the couch
I
the whole
understand,
time.
but y'all together, I'm getting everybody's name. Everybody else cooperating, you cooperate as well. What's your
My
name?
name's Taylor.
Outside. I don't care who you're waiting on. Outside.
46 now.
Just trying to get them outside. They're not wanting to go and one's wanting to struggle with me.
I'm trying to get my
No. Put your hands behind your
I'm
back.
trying to get my balls.
Put your hand behind your back.
I'm finna walk out.
Put your hands behind your back. Now. Put your hands behind your back.
Let somebody get this.
No, you're not listening to me.
Tell me, what the fuck is wrong with you? Let me.
I gave you orders.
Look, I don't give a what the fuck. Look, I don't give a. Nobody get the fuck off me. What the fuck wrong with you? Man, get the fuck off me.
Now we're Delta 2. Send me a unit 1018. One's wanting to fight with me.
Holy baby. Look, bro. Look, bro.
Go down.
Now you're doing that. Get the fuck off me.
Get off of me or you're going to cuff too.
Get down.
Hey, y'all, bud. Got me up. Nah, man, bro.
Get off of here.
Back up. Let go. You be get on the ground. Okay, look at here. Here. Look at I'm trying to get. It's not meant to be gentle.
Watch out. Watch out.
What the? Look, get the off me. Oh, my brother. Look, get off man. What the? Stop. Stand up. Look, I can't. Stand up.
You can get up.
Watch out! Watch out! He ain't going out. Handcuffs on, man. Let go.
Come here.
Let go. Well, you back at your goddamn hand, bro.
Hey.
Chill out.
Watch out, let me get my phone.
No, come here.
Hey, let's go. Let's go.
Man, get the fuck off me, cop. I don't even move like that.
I don't get the phone.
My phone is over there.
Come on, Tequila.
No idea. You need your phone? We ain't shopping anymore. So you can turn around and leave the store right
Damn
now.
phone! Shit!
Hey, where's your phone then?
I'm going to get it.
Where is it? We can help you find it.
Look, bro, I'm not getting in that car. Look, bro, can y'all please call y'all sergeant? Look, bro, no.
I am the sergeant.
Okay, look, sergeant, smart one. Look, bro, no, can y'all talk to me first? Look, God damn! If you want to go in handcuffs, keep it up or back off.
Back off.
Back off! Look, bro,
Get in the car.
You either get in or I'm throwing you in. You got 1 minute. Look, bro, wait. Can y'all listen, please? Look, bro, these handcuffs. Move your legs.
Get all the way in.
These handcuffs, man. Can you please?
We'll adjust them once you're in. Get in.
Okay, you cannot.
Get in.
You cannot push me.
Get in.
I can't. The f***ing buckler's behind me, sir. I was trying to, sir. What the f*** that hurt? Ah, my.
We're not walking around looking at merchandise right now.
I don't want this handcuff.
You should be in handcuffs right now for assaulting my officer back there, okay? I'm giving you a chance to get your phone. If you're not going to get your phone, I'm going to take you outside and handcuff. Go, come on.
You think I'm doing it?
We're at, come on.
Hell, why are you tweaking?
Alright. Now let's get out. Come on. You don't need to fix it. They'll fix it.
I respect, I don't mess up.
Let's just go.
I ain't did. I walked in.
Go home. Go home. You good, sir?
Out of breath, but I'm good.
Where's the other one?
There's 5 others in there.
Webb and Cutter with him.
They're all out now.
Bro, what the bro? I was leaving.
Huh? He's gonna be all right. There's 100 of us here. There's cameras. Are you going to Taco Bell or not? If not, then sit over there and be quiet.
Since you know the people he was with, will you try to, the ones that are left, try to get their info?
I got their name.
Thank you.
What's your mama number?
She answered the phone.
Give me her number. I'll call her.
Ma'am. You have an ID on you, by chance?
Hey, listen. What's your brother's name? If you don't tell us, he's got to go to the jail. That's how that works.
Damn, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
You rolling deep for 4 people?
6.
She's not going to tell us either. They'll just have to
You want to go
fingerprint
through?
it.
Come on, man. That makes sense.
Oh, where you going?
Oh God, I'm gonna walk with him.
Where you going?
Stop right there. You're not coming any closer. Stop and walk down there.
You can sit right there.
Say we can go over.
Walk that way.
The officer said we can go.
No, you're not. Walk that way.
Say we can come over there.
Who are you?
Officer McDonald. Now
The
walk
officer
that
said
way.
we can come over here.
64386. Walk.
That officer over there said we can come over here. You got pepper spray out like we are threatening. We just standing.
Walk that way.
2 of us, 3 of you.
What the f you mean? Y'all
Walk
rolling deep.
that way.
1, 2.
1, 2, 3. What
Walk that way now, or I'm going to put all 3 of you in handcuffs and you can join him in the car. All right? All right, turn around, put your ass in your back.
Don't touch me.
No, turn around, put your ass in your back.
God, like what the f turn up? I'm standing here. You can get out my face. As long as I ain't whatever the f what they said.
Boss man, go ahead and put your lighter down for me. Stand up.
If I'm just sitting there playing,
Behind your back.
You're going to be under arrest too.
what the f I do?
Battery on a Leo.
Battery on the wall. I didn't touch nobody.
Yeah, you did.
Who?
It's on his body camera and the Kroger
Who I
camera.
touched? Y'all tweet.
Y'all not taking go for it, but y'all take
Tweet out, but I ain't touch not a damn person.
I ain't even doing
I'm not gonna do is step on my phone.
Let him handcuff you. Don't do this.
Man, what the f you mean? I didn't touch no.
Bro,
that's family, man.
Do you want to get tased? Put your hand behind your back.
Didn't do anything. Exactly, bro. I'm just sitting here.
no, y'all tweet.
There's the cuff right here.
Why y'all arresting them?
Obstruction.
Let me go. Stop. Y'all got the handcuffs off me. Y'all tweaking, cuz. Tweak, but I'm not doing it. I'm sitting here. I ain't hitting nobody. I ain't touching nobody.
Bro, get off me. Bro, quit.
Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
Man.
In the car.
Bro, I can get him. I'm not
Move your legs.
I'm trying to
Move your legs.
No.
Move your legs.
And you just scratched the f out my face. Man, let me the f go. Man, get these mother off me, man. Bro, no, what the let me, bro. Y'all know rolling. You know my oh. Get your ass off me, man. I'ma get up. Hold, move. Grab my phone, car. Don't touch my I tweet out, man. Man, let me go, man. Y'all got me up. Move. Man, I don't give a fuck that. Huh? Man,
You're under arrest.
Get the car. Out. Take the take the badges off, car.
The suspects shown were arrested on felony obstruction and disorderly conduct charges. The suspects in this case are presumed innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.